War of words over Manusmriti escalates. BJP fuming over DMK ally VCK chief Tirumala objectionable remarks that he's made against Hindu women. In fact, the Tamil Nadu BJP has launched a big attack against MK Stalin, accusing DMK of being anti-Hindu. BJP Tamil Nadu President L. Murugan has said now that Stalin's dream of becoming the chief minister has been destroyed because women voters will teach him a lesson for disrespecting them. DMK, MDMK and the Congress have come in support of the VCK chief, Tirumala. In fact, the opposition parties claim that what he had quoted was written in the Manusmriti and demanded withdrawal of the case against him, considering, according to them, he has only quoted in what's written in the Manusmriti. At the center of the row now, DMK ally VCK has sought a ban on Manusmriti, calling its scriptures as anti-women. A video clip recorded in September 2020 was circulated on social media in which VCK chief can be heard making objectionable remarks against Hindu women.
Manusmriti is about Hindu women, and if he says that it's the Hindu women who have been targeted like that, I mean, don't go to temples, don't go. Make sure that the women of your family do not go to the temples. He should apologize to the women of Tamil Nadu. He should say sorry. I mean, please give me one reason you cannot pick up a book and you go through the book and you find something which is written about women in there and you speak out of context. It does not make sense. Speak what is valid now.
I have read Manusmriti. In 9th chapter, totally they deal about women. They degrading women respect through this text. I am not accusing any women belongs to Hindu community. I am for women. I am not against women.
Why did this controversy start now, which happened, say, on September 27th, almost 1 month earlier? What is the stake of the BJP today?
What is happening is over the last 6 months to 1 year, we are seeing needless controversy being created to generate vote banks, especially from the DMK side. And what started with Kandasasti Kavasam in Tamil Nadu, where they were insulting Lord Muruga, the song that is sung for Lord Muruga by revering him. It started there. Now it has come down to this, a selective quoting or a misreading of a book.
Do you think that the police went overboard by taking preventive custody of many of your colleagues?
A political party's protest is always a legitimate right. We have to give vent to people's frustration and people's anger. So BJP as a party has never indulged in arson or violence. Tamil Nadu history says BJP is a party which never has damaged anything in a public during a protest. So Mr. Kushbu or our General Secretary KT Raghavan or our State President Muruganji, they are trying to do it in a very peaceful way, which BJP is always known for.
And the alliance that VCK has formed with DMK and Communist Party and others, the allies have stood by VCK. They have not condemned what he has said. Do you think this might take a dent on the alliance, or do you think this might consolidate their vote bank and bring them together more closely?
I tweeted yesterday that what happened for the denigration of Tamil women will be the last straw on the Dravidian camel's back. So Mr. Stalin will be outrightly rejected by Tamil women folks very specifically, because this is not one, it's a continuous second insult of them.
Now we have Akshaya now joining us live from Chennai. Akshaya, take us through this political spin that Manusmriti comments against the Manusmriti. It's coming up now. You have the assembly elections in Tamil Nadu 6 months away. It seems like all political parties are setting stage much in advance. But really, what's the issue and what's the fact that you gather?
Well, Nabila, in the last week of September, Tirumala, the VCK chief and MP from Tamil Nadu had spoken during a webinar about how Manusmriti depicts women, and in that he had said that the Manusmriti quotes women to be called as prostitutes, and that is not how it should be done. And he went on to show that chapter 9 of the Manusmriti in a very derogatory manner speaks about women. This video has been widely circulated recently after Kushbu Sundar, the newbie entrant of the BJP, raised an issue saying that Tirumala should apologize for the kind of statement that he made against women. But now what we're seeing here is that the VCK chief and his ally supporters are stating that Tirumala had only quoted what was there in the book and he did not disrespect women, but had sought for the ban of the book. And now we're seeing that the BJP in the state has gone on for a statewide protest for the last couple of days, demanding that VCK Chief Tirumavalavan apologizes for what he had said, and it was disrespectful of the leader to even consider talking about a book which is 3,000 years old, which is no longer in use, is what the BJP claims. But we're seeing that the VCK currently is conducting a protest in Chennai's Chepauk and in various other parts of the state, demanding that the BJP, which is trying to ask for Tirumavalavan's apology, is only creating political controversy out of nothing, out of a statement which is being quoted out of context, is what the VCK is claiming. So we're seeing that a political war is now brewing in the state on the topic of Manusmriti. Nabila.
Thank you very much, Akshaya, for joining us with those details there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.